So you go into Excel options, and in there you see there is Trust Center. Click on Trust Center settings, and near the top, trusted locations. Any spreadsheet that's opened from a trusted location will automatically enable content. It will not ask you. That is exceptionally useful. Now, you might find if you are in a corporate environment, you have some policy locations, maybe a network drive. And if you do, then that means you could save your file into that location and tell other people, send them links, for example, to open it from the same location. It won't ask to enable macros, it just run straight away. And the same would be true if I set up my own trusted location. So I'm going to do that now. Trust Center, trusted location, add a new location. Obviously I don't want that. I'm just going to browse to any old folder. Put this one on, for example, at the moment, temp one. You can make subfolders trusted as well. Hit OK, and OK again.